guys, welcome back. So before we get started, I just want to say I hope you guys are all doing well, being safe, especially if you're protesting, you're doing it peacefully. So I'm going to be doing a different type of video today. I plan to return this bed because the color looks nothing like the pictures online. I thought I was getting a bed that's a true gray color, but I received a bluish gray bed. That's not what I wanted, so I'm going to take it apart and send it back to Amazon. You might not be able to see what I'm seeing because my camera is automatically adjusting my settings, so it's like trying to fix my lighting and my colors for me. I did give it time to see if it'll rub off on me, but I just don't love it as much as I loved it when I first saw it on the site. Alright, so I just got this quilt in and I put it on the bed, and you can definitely tell the difference with these grays. I mean, it still looks like this is showing kind of like a neutral gray, but you can definitely tell the difference because this one has more of a warm undertone, just like with these pillows. And then this definitely has that blue undertone. It's like it kind of looks like silver, but it also depends on the angle as well because this is velvet. So when you look at it at certain angles and under certain light, the color is going to change, but you can still see that it has blue undertones, especially down here at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but it's blue. It looks really blue compared to all of the rest of the gray in the room. So I'm definitely going to be returning this. I've had it for almost a month now. I'm getting close to my return date, so I need to go ahead and return this before it's too late. It looks so nice on camera. Like, it looks like the right shade of gray. Someone mentioned to do 50 Shades of Gray, but that's not, that's not my style. I like some color, and I don't want to have all of these different shades of gray with my pop of navy blue. I wanted to use these pillow shams because I really love the design on them. They're so pretty, and they look really good with my nightstands and just the overall look I wanted to go for in this space. I think they look really good, but they're too big. I don't really want pillows this big on my bed. I'm not trying to cover up my headboard. I still want as much of the headboard to show. You can see the blue from this angle. You can really see it. Yeah, you can definitely see like the difference now. But when it gets in shadows, then yeah, look, it just changed the colors right on camera. It looked like it just changed colors. It's crazy. I'm gonna just go ahead and pack this bed up because I'm getting close to my return date and I do not want to be stuck with this bed.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that. Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah.
I am done, guys. I decided to bring this rug in here. I had it in storage, in the storage room, which is supposed to be my office, but yeah, it's a storage room right now. I was actually debating on this rug. That's why I didn't have it in here before, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use what I have because I'm not trying to buy a new rug and just end up with a rug in my office slash storage room, which I'm trying to clear out so I can turn it into my office. But yeah, so I have my box springs and the mattress on this bed frame. And if you're wondering about the curtains, why I have blue curtains up here and not here, I was playing around with different curtains that I had on hand. I have some vanilla curtains like this. It's like an off-white, but I was really trying to make that other bed work, so I switched out the curtains to maybe see if that was gonna make it better, and it didn't. I just couldn't do that bluish gray. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and call it a night because it is late anyways. It's time for bed. So whew, I am so tired, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.